What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk to you about GameStop. I want to give you a quick overview of some of the current data points, what shorts did, and how big money has been really accumulating a lot of call options behind the scenes and what that does truly mean. Before we get into any of that, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and with that, let's get right to it. Starting off, GameStop did go up 1.38%. Very volatile day, so 23.16 the low, 25.02 the high. 14 million shares were traded, 7.29 is the average. These are all the transactions that did occur on the dark pool. So dark pool is extremely popular today, and so these are all the transactions above $100,000. So you can kind of see a ton. My apologies if I'm going relatively fast. You guys can always just pause it and read through it line by line. On a side note, these are some of the transactions that did occur on the secondary market above $100,000. So you do see big money really looking at GameStop, as right now you do have their earnings coming up this week as well. At the same time, the fear and greed index is starting to improve, so meaning people's appetite for risk is kind of increasing, plus the likelihood of a 25 or possibly even a 50 basis point cut for this September 18th, so basically 1 week away, does mean that people's and consumers' buying power is going to increase. And of course, what does GameStop serve? Consumers. So it instantly goes hand in hand. So I want to go over some of the data points, shorts, and everything else. So starting off, shorts did increase net 405,000 shares. 9.5% of the free float is being shorted. Works out to be 36.87 million shares overall are being shorted. Utilization 27.75, and cost to borrow average is fairly low at 1.17. Very clear indication that there is naked shorting happening with GameStop, as the shares on loan is 30.89 million, and just simply put, 36 mil for shares being shorted. So math isn't mathing. Clear indication, like I said, of naked shorting occurring. Looking at options, 26 million in calls, 5.11 million in puts. 48% of all the options being done were optimistic and bullish, and of those bullish options, there's a consensus for it to be roughly around that 27. A lot of optimism associated to the September the 30th. So again, that could be something coming to fruition. And even the September 20th is a monthly chain, so that one is very, very popular. But when it comes down to call options, in Q2, there was 4.5 million call options purchased, and that is an increase of 275%. All 13F filers, that was 22.09 million purchased, and that is an increase of 157.26 million. So essentially, a lot of hedge funds and entities were buying call options, and that is because they are optimistic on GameStop. So again, I see that as relatively optimistic. Generally, no matter what though, options is just merely a sentiment. It does not move the stock price. So again, just kind of be aware of that. Right now with it at 24 and change, it is trading between this R1 and R2. So 23.69 is going to be that next strong support. And then on the flip side, 24.81 will be that next strong resistance / target. So it did break above that, and actually, in fact, it kind of broke both of those. So going into the next several trading days, just watch for those kind of to hold. And Wednesday and Thursday is going to be key days. So you have CPI on Wednesday and then PPI on Thursday. So let me know your thoughts. Are you guys buying options for their upcoming earnings, or are you sitting back enjoying your common stock, or are you just waiting on the sidelines for just to see the outcome of that? Based on this, you do have -9 cents as the earnings per share and 8.95 million for the revenue. And I can do a deeper dive into this if necessary. Let me know your thoughts on GameStop, and if you are enjoying these quick, so like kind of short summary videos on what happened with GameStop, what the data points are saying, I can definitely continue that. Under this channel, I do want to primarily talk on squeeze plays and potentially just where they might be going in the short term. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. One final thing, make sure you guys definitely take advantage of this promo. Simply sign up for a new account, throw $100 at it. They give you 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000. Link to this is in the description below and also the comments. With all that, appreciate all of you watching.